What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and in today's video, we're going to be checking out installing the aFe Momentum GT cold air intake for the 2.7 liter Bronco. Looking to boost the performance of your 2.7 liter Ford Bronco? Look no further than the aFe Momentum GT cold air intake system. Unlike some intakes out there for the Bronco, the aFe Momentum GT is made of high quality materials and features a closed box design. The intake also includes a computer designed intake tube for maximum power gains. aFe's team of engineers uses state-of-the-art technology to create precisely shaped intake tubes, ensuring maximum airflow for increased horsepower and torque. Prior to release, the design was put to the test on a dyno. During this process, they fine-tune and optimize the design for the best possible performance. aFe recorded gains of 16 horsepower and 25 foot-pounds of torque using the Pro 5R premium oil filter. Based on our findings with intake systems on the Bronco, these numbers add up and this intake is truly a bolt-on performance mod. With a variety of filters to choose from, you can find the best match for you and your driving habits, all while being sure that your Bronco's engine is breathing in the cleanest air possible. Stainless steel clamps are included for strength, and a premium silicone coupling allows for ample flexibility. Momentum GT intakes are designed with fewer parts for a fast and easy installation and an OEM Plus look. Installing the aFe cold air intake is a breeze and designed to fit perfectly in the stock location, so there's no cutting or modification required. The XLPE material used in the intake system is not only extremely durable, but is also corrosion and heat resistant. With aFe power, you can trust that you're getting a high quality product that is built to last. So now that we know a little bit more about the aFe intake, let's hop in the shop and get it installed. Using a panel clip remover, remove the clip holding the scoop duct. Now pull off the scoop duct. Release the retainer clips holding the wiring harness and coolant reservoir hose. Disconnect the IAT sensor. Using a 7mm socket, loosen the hose clamps on the intake tubes. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt holding the factory airbox. Detach the isolators located underneath the airbox. They should come out fairly easy with a little bit of force. Now, pull out the factory airbox. Disconnect the bypass valve electrical connector and retainer clips. Disconnect the bypass hose. Using an 8mm socket, remove the 3 bolts holding the charge air cooler or CAC inlet pipe. Using a 7mm socket, loosen the hose clamp. Release the quick connect clip and remove the CAC inlet pipe. Using an 8mm socket, remove the bolt holding the factory intake tube. Using a 7mm socket, loosen the factory intake tube clamp and pull it out. Loosen the clamp and remove the factory turbo intake tube. Install the supplied coupler onto the turbo with the supplied clamp. Now install aFe's intake tube onto the turbo coupler. Install aFe's intake tube onto the factory coupling and aFe airbox. Reinstall the bolts and tighten the hose clamp. Place the filter into the aFe airbox. Screw in the supplied rubber isolator. Now you can place the assembled airbox into the engine bay, connecting it to the intake tube and air scoop. Using a 10mm socket, install the supplied screw to secure the airbox. Install the provided grommet and IAT sensor on the aFe intake tube. Install the provided large grommet and recirculating fitting into the intake tube. Reinstall the CAC inlet pipe. Connect the quick connect clip and tighten the hose clamp with a 7mm socket. Reinstall the 3 screws holding on the CAC inlet pipe. Finally, connect the bypass valve connector and retainer clips, and that will complete the install. Alright guys, there you have it. We just got the aFe Momentum GT intake installed on the 2.7 liter Ford Bronco. If you guys like this video, make sure you smash that like button. If you're interested in picking up an aFe intake for yourself, I'll go ahead and leave a link for that in the description below. If you are not subscribed, make sure that you're hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any of the Bronco content. And if you got a comment for us, drop it below. Thanks for watching.